The river Ouzel welcomes us with a graceful sight, a family of swans gliding effortlessly across the water. Their calm presence sets the tone for this peaceful riverside journey. Watch how gently they move, each stroke of their wings leaving ripples that fade slowly into the still water. Swans are known for their elegance, and here, they turn the river into a moving painting. As the swans explore the riverside, they keep a quiet watch over their surroundings. The gentle curiosity adds life and movement to the calm landscape. The way they glide through the open stretch of water feels almost poetic. Here at River Ouzel, the elegance of these birds becomes the heart of the scenery. With every moment, the swans drift closer, unbothered by the world around them. Their calm confidence reminds us how peaceful nature can truly be. From wide river views to quiet close-ups, the swans bring a special charm to the River Ouzel. Their presence adds grace to every frame. As they drift away into the gentle flow of the river, the swans leave us with a moment of calm.